We are going to see a next chapter, or we can say a next activity, that is a collage. Everyone knows what is collage, so we will see what is this collage. Okay, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. As you can see in this picture, there is a photograph of Sachin Tendulkar. Everyone knows who is Sachin Tendulkar. He is a very brilliant cricket player. Date of birth is 24 April 1973. Means Sachin's date of birth is 24th April 1973. Okay. So while making a collage of anything or any player, you should know each and everything of that player or that person. Okay. So we are making Sachin Tendulkar's here Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar's collage. So we have to stick multiple pictures of him. Here newspaper images are there, newspaper cuttings are there, and world records of him are there, and awards, and his centuries in different matches, and last test and last ODI. Different things are there, and a collage means to stick different things, just like paper cuttings, newspaper cuttings, internet printouts, and images of that person, and we have to describe that person into our cuttings, the cuttings which we have sticked into the collage. Okay, so we will start reading the collage, the points which we have to mention in our collage. A collage: Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. This is also a strip. Okay, in this strip the name of Sachin is written, and one bomb, and you can say one bomb image is there, and Sachin's image is there, and Sachin's date of birth is also stick on there. First test match was 15 November 1989 versus Pakistan, and first ODI was 18 December 1989 versus Pakistan. This was the first test and first ODI matches of Sachin, and ODI centuries were 49, and these are also sticks uh, टू दी पेपर. हमको कोलाज बनाते समय ये ध्यान रखना है कि हमको कुछ भी उसके ऊपर लिखना नहीं है, हमको सारी चीज़ें उसके ऊपर स्टिक करनी है, क्योंकि कोलाज का मतलब ही ये होता है कि हमको एक पेपर पे सब चीज़ें स्टिक करनी है, जैसे पेपर की कटिंग हो गई, या फिर न्यूज़पेपर से इंटरनेट से हमने कुछ उसके बारे में सर्च किया और उसकी प्रिंट आउट निकाल के वो कट कर दी हमको और वो स्टिक कर दी उसके ऊपर. ये सब कोलाज करना है. कोलाज मीन्स वॉट स्टिकिंग द newspapers or papers within a large paper. So ODI centuries are there, 49 centuries. ODI half centuries, 96. ODI runs 18,426. Okay, overall ODI runs. Last test match 14 November 2013 versus West Indies. Last ODI 18 March 2012 versus Pakistan. Test centuries 51, test runs 15,921. Sachin Tendulkar receives Bharat Ratna, the youngest recipient of Bharat Ratna. The youngest recipient of Bharat Ratna is none other than Sachin Tendulkar. So ये बात हमको भी कैसे पता चली? सिंपली हमने एक कटिंग ज्वाइन की. मीन्स कोलाज में क्या होना चाहिए? हाईलाइटिंग पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए और वो सब कुछ कटिंग थ्रू होना चाहिए. एंड देर आर मल्टीपल पिक्चर्स ऑफ सचिन. जैसे कि सेंचुरी पूरी करने के बाद सचिन जब अपना बैट शो करते हैं ऑडियंस को, वो एक पिक्चर यहाँ पे शो की हुई है, और शॉट मारते हुए, और उसके यंग एज की फोटोग्राफ है. वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड: सचिन के नाम पे कौन कौन से वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स हैं? फर्स्ट प्लेयर टू स्कोर द डबल सेंचुरी इन मेंस ओडीआई, played the highest number of Test and ODI matches. The only cricketer to score 100 centuries in international cricket. The only player to score 50 centuries in Test cricket. First batsman to score 15,000 runs in the Test cricket. World records for having higher number of वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स. मीन्स सचिन तेंदुलकर के ये भी एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है इन सारे वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के साथ, कि सबसे ज़्यादा वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स सचिन तेंदुलकर के है, ये भी एक उनका वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है। और ऑनर्स मीन्स उनको अवार्ड कौन कौन से मिले, अर्जुन अवार्ड, राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न, पद्मश्री, महाराष्ट्र भूषण, पद्म भूषण, पद्म विभूषण, भारत रत्न, ये सारे अवार्ड्स सचिन तेंदुलकर को मिले हैं। अ कोलाज इज एन आर्टिस्टिक अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पेपर cutouts, pictures, photographs, text, etc. You can make collages on a single topic or you can may bring together various topics and ideas in कोलाज। तो कोलाज बनाते समय ये क्या है कोलाज, पहले तो ये समझना है कि पेपर कटिंग्स, पेपर कटआउट्स, पिक्चर्स, फोटोग्राफ्स, टेक्स्ट को हम एक पेपर में ऐड करके स्टिक करते हैं और हम सिंगल टॉपिक पे भी कोलाज बना सकते हैं या फिर बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स को भी उस कोलाज में ऐड कर सकते हैं। सो माय फेवरेट क्रिकेटर, मतलब ये दोनों एक ही पिक्चर है। ये बड़ा सा एक पोस्टर है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं इस इमेज में भी साइड में थोड़ा उस पेज का ये पार्ट आया है। तो नेक्स्ट वन इज माय फेवरेट क्रिकेटर। सो एज यू कैन सी देर आर ऑल्सो मल्टीपल पिक्चर इमेजेस ऑफ सचिन तेंदुलकर टचिंग फेयरवेल स्पीच। अब फेयरवेल स्पीच का एक शॉर्ट पैसेज यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, वो भी स्टिक किया हुआ है। और सेंचुरीज पूरी करने के बाद जब बैट शो होती है ऑडियंस को, वो भी पिक्चर इमेज किया हुआ है, मल्टीपल इमेजेस। वर्ल्ड कप को हाथ में लिया हुआ है, वो एक इमेज है। टचिंग फेयरवेल स्पीच, सचिन थैंक टू all the people who had helped him in his life, his parents, family members, relatives, friends, his coach, doctors, trainers, managers, media, and all the people who supported him. We are proud of you, Sachin. What Sachin said about his sir Ramakant Archekar in his farewell speech. On lighter note, in the last 29 years, sir has never ever said well played to me because he thought I would get compensate and would be stop working hard. Maybe he can push his luck and wish me now well done on on my career because there are no more matches, sir, in my life. I will be witnessing the cricket and cricket will always stay in my heart. But you have had an immense contribution in my life, so thank you very much. So this was the emotional speech by Sachin Tendulkar to his sir Ramakant Archekar. Professor Ramesh Tendulkar, Sachin's father, died when the 1999 World Cup matches were going on. Sachin returned to India just for a little while and returned immediately. He scored a century, unbeaten, 140 runs off 101 balls. In the next match against Kenya, he dedicated this century to his father. So you can stick these types of images also while making your collage. A young admirer of Sachin Tendulkar has made the collage about the life and work of her favorite cricketer. You can also make a collage about your favorite sportsman or any other personality. So if you want to make a collage, you can make is on you if you want to make, you can make, but exams are coming, so this will be your Diwali homework. You have to make one collage in Diwali vacations. Okay, so don't make it now. I'm going to send you pictures along with this, and you have to complete your homework. Okay, do complete your homework. Thank you.